Hello there again, it's Kenny and it's Sunday and it's day 10. At last, day 10 of the Destiny Travel Teams Challenge. And as you can probably see from this camera, it's a bit wet. You see Sally just behind me there? She's getting soaked. It's a bit wet here today in Glasgow, in Scotland, which is where I'm from. But that's okay. Do you know, Glaswegians are known to be some of the most friendly people in the world, and certainly the most friendly in the UK, and certainly in Scotland. We are the most friendly people. It's said that the Glaswegian people are amazing. Some of the architecture and some of the historical buildings that are most beautiful are in Edinburgh in Scotland. But the people that are the nicest, I would say, not just me, the people that are the nicest, the most beautiful, the most encouraging, the most positive, the most friendly are those from Glasgow. And you're speaking to one right now, a Glaswegian as we're called. I was born in Glasgow, brought up in Glasgow, and I love it here despite the weather. The weather can be a bit poor, as you can see, but who cares? Who cares? Our skin is waterproof. There you go, our skin is waterproof. It doesn't matter if it rains, just get out there and enjoy it. Alright, it's Sunday, it's the Destiny Travel Team Challenge, it's day 10, and Kenny is out. Bye now.